With a digital model of the manufacturing process in hand, high-quality PCB production can be executed quickly and safely on any manufacturing line anywhere in the world. The digital thread continues on the manufacturing floor. Intelligent IoT devices collect data from manufacturing stations, creating a real-time digital twin of the production. Normalized performance, utilization, quality and consumption data is available to MES and other shop floor applications, enabling quick automated response to changing manufacturing needs.
Valor Material Management allows us to maintain continuous production flow and reduce material waste by proactively ensuring that the right amount of material is delivered from the warehouse to the line exactly when we need it, just in time.
Instead of drowning in an ocean of data, Valor uses its analytics capabilities to draw insights about the operation and generate predictive, closed-loop feedback to all stages of the PCB design to manufacturing flow, driving intelligent business decisions and continuous product and process improvement.